Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. These will be essential for the disassembly and reassembly of your Dyson SV22. First, disconnect the vacuum from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure the device is completely turned off. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. There are typically 2 screws. Keep them safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You should now see the battery itself. Carefully disconnect the battery by pulling the connector away from the main unit. If you encounter any resistance, use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it loose. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the vacuum. Ensure that the connection is secure and that the battery is seated properly in its compartment. Replace the battery cover and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Next, we will move on to the filter replacement. The filter is located at the top of the vacuum. Twist the filter counterclockwise to remove it. It's advisable to clean the filter regularly, but if it's damaged or excessively dirty, replacing it is the best option. Take your new filter and align it with the slot. Twist it clockwise until it clicks into place. This ensures that it is securely fitted and ready for use. Now that both the battery and filter have been replaced, it's time to clean the internal components of your vacuum. Use a soft brush or a cloth to wipe down the inside of the vacuum, removing any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the efficiency of your device. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of calls or travel. Once you've completed these steps, it's a good idea to test your vacuum. Plug it in and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. In summary, replacing the battery and filter on your Dyson SV22 is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance the performance of your vacuum. With the right tools and a little patience, you can do it yourself, or you can take advantage of our convenient services to make the process even easier. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.